Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to send Microsoft Word file in Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Since I don't have any Microsoft file prepared at the moment, so let's make one. Open up your Microsoft Word in your device. Once it opens up, prepare the file for yourself. If you already have one, then you can skip this step. Now once you're done, save the file that you prepared and also make sure to remember the name that you set for the file. Now once the file is saved, exit the current window and open up your Messenger. Next, select an individual whom you want to send the message to. Now to send the Microsoft Word file, click on the gallery-like icon from the bottom toolbar. And now simply type down the name that you set for your file earlier. And now select the open option. With this, the file will be then attached to your Messenger. Now if you want to send some other messages along with it, then you could also type that down on the message box and simply send it. And you're basically done. So this was a tutorial on how to send Microsoft Word file in Messenger. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.